Hello everyone, you're listening to Cricket Unabridged with Shayonto, and in today's episode we have an absolute match winner with us. We have a very dear friend of mine who's been a constant support system of mine since my childhood. Vinay Santhalia is one of the most ardent and solid cricket fans I've ever seen. He has an in-depth knowledge about cricket, and you can have a big fat cricket conversation with him during any time of the day. A top class right arm medium fast bowler, Vinesh is a regular mainstay of the BRC Corporate Cricket Club team and has also represented House at Corporate Club. An absolute inspiration, Vinesh's steely determination and his ability to bounce back from precarious situations makes him one of the key members of our complex cricket team as well. Thank you so much, Vinesh, for joining in my podcast episode today. It's really fun to have you on board. So tell me, how is it going at home?
This lockdown is, it's like getting bored at house, sitting all day at home, doing nothing, and especially
Yeah.
away from sports. It's a bit frustrating, not playing sports for like almost 4 months right now.
Yeah, exactly. So it's been very tough for all cricket lovers and sports lovers like us, and to stay away from the game for such a long time. Very aptly said. So you tell me, how has the quarantine been going, and like, have you learned something new during this time during the lockdown?
Absolutely, like during lockdown, I was not in so much into family business, so I got a bit into a family business.
Okay.
And I also learned some new skills which I had never seen before, and also I started practicing sports but I'm not able to play with others, so I'm started practicing sports at home, and I can feel like when I play next
Okay.
when I'll play next, I'll give a better performance for the team.
Absolutely. So family business is a very integral part. And like you mentioned, you've been playing some sports at home. So could you like enlighten us on that? Like, what kind of sports are you playing at home?
So it's simple basically. So it's not at basically at home. I just go down to the field. We have a huge field here at our complex.
Mhm.
So I just
Yeah, yeah,
brother
yeah.
or servant. I have like 10 to 15 dues balls that I just tell him to chuck it at me so I can like defend and practice some
Yeah.
shots, and I just
Wonderful.
yeah, and I just do some bowling practice, and so just to keep up with the game. So whenever the season
Hmm.
starts for my club, I can play for them and I can
Hmm.
perform well for them.
Exactly, that's a बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है that you have been into the game, even though हम लोग बाहर नहीं जा सकते क्लब क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए, but फिर भी you are in the game somehow or the other. It's really good to hear this. And so like, okay, so moving on to the next question, Vinesh. So भाई हम we all know हम लोग दोनों आईपीएल कितना पसंद करते हैं, ठीक है? And I'm a die-hard KKR fan, you're a die-hard RCB fan. So like, tell me something. You're a very loyal RCB supporter, and you absolutely go head over heels about the team, right? So do you think they have the firepower to actually register their maiden win this season?
मेरे को तो लगता है कि हाँ, because it's this year the auction has been really good for RCB. वो
Yeah.
they were able to buy some very good buys like Aaron Finch. He's a really
Yeah.
he's a really good opener, and when it's his day, he'll just turn the game on the head. He'll just win
Hmm.
and he'll just win the game single-handedly for RCB. And
Hmm.
they already have good Indian bowlers like Navdeep Saini, Umesh
Yeah.
Yadav, Mohammad Siraj,
Exactly.
and
Yeah.
during this quarantine मेरे को भी लगता है कि they must have been doing practice, because they see the main thing about cricket is you learn about the sport from the bad games. So even if they've
Yeah.
had bad games, they will learn about it, and they obviously should improve it, and they must
Yeah.
have
Exactly.
proven it. The
Yeah. Absolutely.
main thing about RCB is we have good Indian fast bowlers, and also
True.
हम लोग के पास इंडिया का main leg spinner युजवेंद्र चहल है. That's a very plus point for
Exactly.
RCB, and also
Exactly.
it's also headed by the Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli.
The greatest captain of all time, Virat Kohli. Greatest captain of all time and greatest batsman of all time as well.
And
So it's
to back it up, we have the Mr. 360 ABD Villiers. He's
exactly.
exactly.
So that's a very good account of all the players you've given.
Yeah.
You've also stressed on the bowling department. Bowling has been a hollow thing, has been a weak link for RCB, but with a few additions in this particular auction, I think they have made it a very balanced side this time. So that's really aptly very said. So, like, obviously, IPL, like, there has been speculation going on, but right now we have some concrete news that IPL will start in September. So, do you think that IPL will remain the same without fans if fans are not given a heads up to go to the stadium.
See, the main thing about cricket, main thing of IPL is first year only we saw like the main thing about this tournament is about the fans
Hmm.
and
Exactly.
and all the सब franchises सब मतलब इंडिया का अलग अलग states को represent कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ का
हाँ.
अलग अलग population का लोग उन लोगों को support कर रहे हैं and
Hmm.
seeing the number of people turning up for every game, it's like absolutely fantastic and it obviously
Phenomenal, man.
it will obviously be missed by the cricket players.
Exactly, man. Like seriously, without fans, I don't think so. See, if you have a cake without the cherry, you can never have the cake, right? So I
Exactly,
think
bro.
fans are like the cherry to that cake, and without fans, ना ही तो वो electrifying atmosphere रहेगा, ना ही players को उतना extra energy and extra momentum उनको आएगा while playing the game. So I think that will be a decisive factor.
हाँ, last year का मैं game बोल सकता है RCB versus KKR I guess at Eden Gardens only. So last over कोलकाता को कुछ 8 रन ना 10 रन चाहिए था. So like the noise erupting in Eden Gardens was absolutely unimaginable.
Crazy, man. Exactly.
And with Andre Russell on strike, the entire Eden chanting Russell, it's absolutely unimaginable. And I guess that will be the fans will be the most missed during this IPL more than anything else.
Absolutely, man. Very, very rightly said. Like seriously, we hope that little bit of fans are also allowed in UAE because UAE, their condition of coronavirus, the way they have handled is way more sophisticated and way better than what is going on in India because of the population and many other factors. So if there are fans, it will be a really good thing for all of us, for all cricket lovers and everything.
Absolutely.
So, thank you for that answer. Brilliant answer, Vinesh. So, my final question to you will be like this is a bit of technical question. So, like based on the current squads, okay, after the retention and auction, and like keeping aside your personal feelings for RCB, what do you think? Which team, like according to you, has the best possible chance to win the IPL? Matlab not RCB. Apart from RCB, any other team which you feel can win the IPL?
Apart from RCB, there is one team I have backed in all the seasons. First of
Yeah.
all, it is obviously Kolkata Knight Riders. It's my favorite team because I live in Kolkata, obviously. And,
Yeah,
and of
exactly.
course, because of Andre Russell and like one of
Yeah.
our previous astonishing captains, Gautam Gambhir, he like literally led KKR from like ashes to almost to the top.
Absolutely, man. Seriously, he's been the reason for KKR's resurgence. I don't think so. KKR would ever be considered as a force to be reckoned with if not for Gautam Gambhir. On a very serious note, he's the one who really brought us to the map of the Indian cricket map, IPL map.
एकदम से भाई एकदम सही बोला है एंड दिनेश कार्तिक भी बहुत अच्छा ही काम कर रहा है अभी but
Absolutely.
Gautam Gambhir was on another level. It's just absolutely that.
Exactly. और दिनेश कार्तिक भी उसका अभी नया नया दिन है. ही इज वेरी न्यू टू कैप्टनसी. ही उसका प्रीवियस उतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. गौतम गंभीर हैज कैप्टनड हिज दिल्ली साइड एज वेल इन IPL Delhi Daredevils when it was previously known as Delhi Daredevils, and he's also captained Indian cricket team for a very short span of time, 5 ODIs or something. But दिनेश कार्तिक on the other hand कोई भी IPL फ्रेंचाइजी उसने कैप्टन नहीं करा. फिर कोई भी उसने तमिलनाडु को भी उतना कभी नहीं करा कैप्टन. See, apart from a little limited overs tournaments, so it'll take some time for Dinesh Karthik to be able to be compared to Gautam Gambhir, what I feel.
Of course, because at his first season as captain of KKR, he managed to reach the second qualifiers. That too, that was an amazing task.
Exactly, man.
And I think Dinesh Karthik himself is an excellent player. Like as we saw in the Nidhi Haas Trophy final against Bangladesh, that was absolutely crazy. That final.
Yeah.
So,
exactly.
Seeing from that match, Kolkata fans have got a new name to chant Dinesh Karthik. So
exactly, man.
So
true.
Before in Gautam Gambhir case, he was the one who was scoring the runs in the end, and was Russell at depth. Russell was finishing it. But right now,
True.
Kolkata Knight Riders, you have Shubman Gill to open, who is a very consistent batsman, and I guess one of the most. I guess he's the successor of Kohli for the future Indian cricket team.
He's a huge prospect for Team India, huge prospect. I see a lot of talent in that young bloke, honestly, man.
Absolutely, and with him on the top, they have got a steady batting lineup, of course, with Nitish Rana in the
Exactly.
middle, and now not only Russell but Dinesh Karthik is also there to finish the match for Kolkata Knight
Hmm.
Riders.
And now with the inclusion of England's limited over skipper Owen Morgan, I think KKR will go as favorites, man. Honestly, they'll start the tournament as favorites.
And,
Fantastic team.
and of course, not to forget the Australian fast bowler Pat Cummins.
Yeah, so bowling department also has a lot of depth and fantastic, man. I'm really looking forward to the IPL and looking forward to see how our team KKR and your team RCB performs. Yeah.
Absolutely, and
So
yeah,
yeah. So what I feel is that what I got to know from your analysis is that apart from RCB, you feel that KKR is one of the favorites.
absolutely.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much, Vinesh. It was really fun recording this podcast with you. This is a very informative thing, and I got to know your point of view, your views and analysis on KKR as well as RCB. Thank you so much for coming in my show today. Really had fun, and I hope you have a nice time. Stay safe, take care of your family, man.
Thank you, Shanta, for having me, and you also take care of your family amid this COVID crisis.
Okay, you too, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See you, man.
See
Bye.
you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.